سورة الدخان
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
حميم
حميم
والكتاب المبين.
By the manifest book that makes things clear.
إنا أنزلناه في ليلة مباركة إنا كنا منذرين.
We sent it down on a blessed night. Verily, we are ever warning.
فيها يفرق كل أمر حكيم.
Therein that night is decreed every matter of ordainments.
أمرا من عندنا إنا كنا مرسلين.
As a command from us, verily we are ever sending the messengers.
رحمة من ربك إنه هو السميع العليم.
As a mercy from your Lord, verily He is the all-hearer, the all-knower.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما إن كنتم موقنين.
The Lord of the heavens and the earth and all that is between them, if you but have a faith with certainty.
لا إله إلا هو يحيي ويميت ربكم ورب آبائكم الأولين.
None has the right to be worshipped but He. It is He who gives life and causes death, your Lord and the Lord of your forefathers.
بل هم في شك يلعبون.
Nay, they play about in doubt.
فارتقب يوم تأتي السماء بدخان مبين.
Then wait you for the day when the sky will bring forth a visible smoke.
يغشى الناس هذا عذاب أليم.
Covering the people, this is a painful torment.
ربنا اكشف عنا العذاب إنا مؤمنون.
They will say, Our Lord, remove the torment from us. Really, we shall become believers.
أنى لهم الذكرى وقد جاءهم رسول مبين.
How can there be for them an admonition at the time when the torment has reached them, when a messenger explaining things clearly has already come to them?
ثم تولوا عنه وقالوا معلم مجنون.
Then they had turned away from him and said, He is one taught by a human being, a madman.
إنا كاشف العذاب قليلا إنكم عائدون.
Verily, we shall remove the torment for a while. Verily, you will revert to disbelief.
يوم نبطش البطشة الكبرى إنا منتقمون.
On the day when we shall seize you with the greatest seizure, verily, we will exact retribution.
ولقد فتنا قبلهم قوم فرعون وجاءهم رسول كريم.
And indeed, we tried before them Fir'aun's people when there came to them a noble messenger.
أن أدوا إلي عباد الله إني لكم رسول أمين.
Saying, deliver to me the slaves of Allah. Verily, I am to you a messenger worthy of all trust.
وألا تعلوا على الله إني آتيكم بسلطان مبين.
And exalt not yourselves against Allah. Truly, I have come to you with a manifest authority.
وإني عذت بربي وربكم أن ترجمون.
And truly, I seek refuge with my Lord and your Lord, lest you should stone me.
وإن لم تؤمنوا لي فاعتزلون.
But if you believe me not, then keep away from me and leave me alone.
فدعا ربه أن هؤلاء قوم مجرمون.
But they were aggressive, so he called upon his Lord, saying, these are indeed the people who are sinners and criminals.
فأسر بعبادي ليلا إنكم متبعون.
Allah said, depart you with my slaves by night. Surely you will be pursued.
واترك البحر رهوا إنهم جند مغرقون.
And leave the sea as it is. Verily, they are a host to be drowned.
كم تركوا من جنات وعيون.
How many of gardens and springs that they left behind.
وزروع ومقام كريم.
And green crops and goodly places.
ونعمة كانوا فيها فاكهين.
And comforts of life wherein they used to take delight.
كذلك وأورثناها قوما آخرين.
Thus it was, and we made other people inherit them.
فما بكت عليهم السماء والأرض وما كانوا منظرين.
And the heavens and the earth wept not for them, nor were they given respite.
ولقد نجينا بني إسرائيل من العذاب المهين.
And indeed, we saved the children of Israel from the humiliating torment.
من فرعون إنه كان عاليا من المسرفين.
From Pharaoh, verily, he was arrogant and was of those who transgress beyond bound.
ولقد اخترناهم على علم على العالمين.
And we chose them above the mankind and jinn during the time of Musa with knowledge.
وآتيناهم من الآيات ما فيه بلاء مبين.
And granted them signs in which there was a plain trial.
إن هؤلاء ليقولون.
Verily, these people are saying,
إن هي إلا موتتنا الأولى وما نحن بمنشرين.
there is nothing but our first death, and we shall not be resurrected.
فأتوا بآبائنا إن كنتم صادقين.
Then bring back our forefathers if you speak the truth.
أهم خير أم قوم تبع والذين من قبلهم أهلكناهم إنهم كانوا مجرمين.
Are they better, or the people of Tubba and those before them? We destroyed them because they were indeed disbelievers and polytheists.
وما خلقنا السماوات والأرض وما بينهما لاعبين.
And we created not the heavens and the earth and all that is between them for mere play.
ما خلقناهما إلا بالحق ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
We created them not except with truth, but most of them know not.
إن يوم الفصل ميقاتهم أجمعين.
Verily, the day of judgment when Allah will judge between the creatures is the time appointed for all of them.
يوم لا يغني مولا عن مولا شيئا ولا هم ينصرون.
The day when a near relative cannot avail a near relative in aught, and no help can they receive.
إلا من رحم الله إنه هو العزيز الرحيم.
Except him on whom Allah has mercy. Verily, he is the Almighty, the most merciful.
إن شجرة الزقوم.
Verily, the tree of Zaqqum,
طعام الأثيم.
will be the food of the sinners.
كالمهل يغلي في البطون.
Like boiling oil, it will boil in the bellies.
كغلي الحميم.
Like the boiling of scalding water.
خذوه فاعتلوه إلى سواء الجحيم.
It will be said, seize him and drag him into the midst of blazing fire.
ثم صبوا فوق رأسه من عذاب الحميم.
Then pour over his head the torment of boiling water.
ذق إنك أنت العزيز الكريم.
Taste you this. Verily, you were pretending to be the mighty, the generous.
إن هذا ما كنتم به تمترون.
Verily, this is that whereof you used to doubt.
إن المتقين في مقام أمين.
Verily, the pious will be in a place of security.
في جنات وعيون.
Among gardens and springs.
يلبسون من سندس وإستبرق متقابلين.
Dressed in fine silk and also in thick silk, facing each other.
كذلك وزوجناهم بحور عين.
So it will be. And we shall marry them to fair females with wide, lovely eyes.
يدعون فيها بكل فاكهة آمنين.
They will call therein for every kind of fruit in peace and security.
لا يذوقون فيها الموت إلا الموتة الأولى. ووقاهم عذاب الجحيم.
They will never taste death therein except the first death of this world, and He will save them from the torment of the blazing fire.
فضلا من ربك ذلك هو الفوز العظيم.
As a bounty from your Lord, that will be the supreme success.
فإنما يسرناه بلسانك لعلهم يتذكرون.
Certainly, we have made this Qur'an easy in your tongue in order that you may remember.
فارتقب إنهم مرتقبون.
Wait then, verily, they too are waiting.